Welcome to the Virtual Techie, where we help people understand future technology and build AI businesses on autopilot. In today's video, we'll be talking about Higgsfield AI, an AI-powered content generation platform that transforms a single prompt into videos, audio, and images. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can do this yourself. Before we proceed, go to the website higgsfield.ai. You'll be presented with an interface like this. Go ahead and sign up if you're new, or log in if you already have an account. I'll log in using my Google account. Once logged in, I'll navigate to the video section, where I'll be using Kling 2.6, a new feature that was recently added to Higgsfield AI. Now, click on Kling 2.6. I already have a prompt prepared, which I'll paste directly here. I'll also upload an image of my avatar so you can see how easily you can transform an image into a talking video. I'll paste my written prompt here carefully. Once the prompt is in place, I'll set the duration to 10 seconds and leave the other settings on auto. I'll then click Generate, which uses 20 credits. The process enters the queue and usually takes a few minutes to complete. Kling 2.6 helps you generate content effortlessly using simple prompts. There's also a special offer for users who want to subscribe to this platform. Subscribers can enjoy unlimited content generation depending on the plan they choose. It's important to note that Higgsfield is offering exclusive access to Kling 2.6 audio for users who subscribe to the Ultimate Plus plan from December 12th. Anyone who subscribes before this date will get access to Kling 2.6 audio, and once activated, you'll be able to enjoy this feature throughout the subscription period. This offer allows you to use Kling 2.6 extensively, so I strongly advise you to take advantage of it. As you can see, the video is still generating. Let's wait for it to finish. At the end of this video, I'll also show you the very affordable pricing that Kling 2.6 offers compared to many other content generation platforms. The video has finished generating, so let's play it and see the result. Apologies if my audio isn't perfect. I'm dealing with some minor network issues. As you can see, the avatar is talking because we instructed it to do so in the prompt, and it follows the exact directions we provided. Everything you see here is generated based entirely on the prompt instructions. We can also experiment further by changing the prompt. First, let's pause the video. Now, I'll copy another prompt and paste it here. With the same uploaded image, we can generate another talking video just as easily. Once the prompt is ready, all you need to do is click Generate, and the platform creates alternative content very quickly. Let's generate another version and proceed from there. The video has been generated, so let's go ahead and play it and see what we have. As you can see, the video generates very quickly. Don't mind the audio. The generation speed is actually impressive. It generates faster than many other platforms, so please be patient as it loads. As you can see, the result looks great. It's very clear and explains exactly what I wanted. You can see it for yourself. Now, let's try another prompt. This will be the final prompt for this video. Let me go ahead and download the video. All right, that's done. Now, let's try one last prompt. This time, I'll remove the image. We want to generate a video using only a fresh text prompt. So there will be no image this time, just the prompt. Once it's ready, I'll click Generate and allow it some time to process. You can see the progress bar as it works on generating the video. All right, it's almost done. Let's proceed. Before we continue, I want to show you the pricing and how you can get up to 67% off on this AI product. The video is ready now. Let's play it so you can see how it was generated directly from the script I provided. It's really that simple. Just sign up, invest a small amount, and get access to these powerful tools. Now, as promised, let me show you the pricing. The Higgsfield AI Basic Plan starts at $35, and with Kling 2.6, you can get access starting from as low as 29 cents. When you compare this with other AI tools, you'll see that Higgsfield offers one of the most affordable options available. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe so the algorithm can recommend this content to others. Thank you for watching.